All right, if you've got a 6.7 Powerstroke anywhere from 2011 up to current, No Limit Performance, No Limit Fabrication makes some really cool stuff for your truck, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna do an unboxing of one of their products just to show you guys kind of what you get and what we recommend you get, because there are a lot of different options for that particular product, okay? This one in particular is for an 11 to 16 6.7 Powerstroke, all right? If you have an 11 to 14, you're gonna need to either upgrade the turbocharger or get the kit that comes with the proper stuff to fit your turbocharger, because those are a little bit different. Nicely packaged, super cool stuff. First things first that we're gonna pull out, this is your intake. Now this customer opted to have it done in a raw finish because we're sending it off to powder to get some custom powder coat on it. He's gonna be doing an Illusion Pacific color. So this is the kit in raw, all right? That's your intake pipe with your MAF sensor port. This is one of your intake tubes that goes to your intake plenum, and everything is really nice TIG welded stainless. Those guys over at No Limit do some really quality work. So that's your intake flange. That's your adapter flange for your Y bridge, okay? And there's a couple components of this kit I recommend you upgrade while you're doing the piping kit, because you can get it a couple of different ways, okay? There's your other intake piece that's gonna go right there. There's a special clamp for that. This, I believe, is your hot side charge pipe, if I remember correctly. Yep, that's right. This is your cold side charge pipe with your intake temp sensor bung, okay? This is what you wanna upgrade. So this is your hot side charge pipe boot. This is designed to fit the stock outlet of your turbocharger. There's a couple different ways they offer this kit. This is an upgradable option. This I highly recommend you do. The other option for this kit, and obviously No Limit, you know, they offer this kit in polished. They offer it in a couple different powder coat colors. They'll do a custom powder coat color if you want them to. It's just totally up to you. This is the option I also recommend. This is your coolant reroute kit. So this is gonna go in the front of your intake bridge or your coolant crossover pipe, and it's gonna go right around to where your heater core has that quick connect fitting. So this reroutes all that stuff and just keeps it looking really clean. Otherwise you have that big factory metal stock standpipe that comes off of there and has a big old hose obstructing the view of your nice brand new piping kit. So this also comes with a filter. It comes with all the boots and clamps that you need. It comes with factory intake gaskets for the intake manifold. It's a really nice, well-rounded kit. So yeah, that's it. I mean, literally everything you need comes included. Stickers for your toolbox. So this is something, you know, do-it-yourself guys can handle themselves at home. We offer these products. We can drop ship them to your door. You can order directly from No Limit. But like I said, this is their raw finish. The entire kit's stainless. It is a complete bolt-on kit. So if you're handy enough to, you know, remove your upper lower intake and your charge pipes, you can do this at home. You need any more questions answered or you want to learn more about it, just give us a call, 214-301-2664.